Hi students, now the second problem in the exercise. The electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge minus 0.8 microcoulomb in air. So the force is 0.2 Newton. So what is to be determined? There are two subdivisions. The first one is, what is the distance between the two spheres? Second subdivision is, what is the force on the second sphere due to the first sphere? So again, very simple and direct substitution type of problem only. So what is given here is the two charges Q1 and Q2 are given. So the first charge, its magnitude I am writing, magnitude alone without the positive and negative sign. So the magnitude of the first charge is 0.4 into 10 to the power of minus 6 microcoulomb. No, so minus 6 coulomb. So this also can be written as 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb. Similarly, the second charge is a negative charge and its magnitude alone I am writing. So without the negative sign, I will write only its magnitude. So 0.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb. So this also can be written as what? 8 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb. Now, the two charges are placed in air and the force between them is 0.2 Newton. So the force, magnitude of the force is 0.2 Newton. So the negative charge always will be attracted towards the positive charge. So the force of attraction will be towards the positive charge. Understand? So negative is attracted towards the positive charge. Okay. Now the force is 0.2 Newton. What is asked here is the distance of separation between the two charges. So once again we are going to use Coulomb's law of electrostatics. So from Coulomb's law, I will write the magnitude of the force. Okay, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. So this time I want to find R, is it not? So R square term can be taken to the left. So R square is now equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 into Q2 divided by F. So after finding R square, I will take the square root and find the distance R. So now R square is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant and its value is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Okay, if you want, I can write the value of the constant also here. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. This one you have to remember forever. So in competitive exams and all, if you remember means you can save some fraction of seconds at least. Okay, you can save that time. So this I have substituted 9 into 10 power 9. Into what is Q1 and Q2 in magnitude? In magnitude it is 4 into 10 power minus 7. So Q1 is 4 into 10 power minus 7 multiplied by 8 into 10 power minus 7. So this is 8 into 10 power minus 7 whole divided by, okay, F is equal to 0.2 Newton. So this also I can write 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1. 0.2 can be written as what? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay, now R square will be equal to this 9, okay, into this 10 power 9 is already there, is it not? 10 power 9 into this 10 power minus 1 I will shift up. It will become what? 10 power 1 into this 4 into 8 is there, here 2 is there. So this 2 I can cut with this 8 4 times. Okay. So this 4 into 4 will become how much? 16. So into 16 into Okay, this 10 to the power of minus 7 into minus 7 will become 10 to the power of minus 14 whole divided by 1. That's all. We have cancelled everything, is it not? This 10 power minus 1 has come up. Now this will be equal to what? That is r square will be equal to 9 into 10 power 10 into 16 into 10 to the power of minus 14. Now you can see that 9 also is a square number, 16 also is 4 square, it is a square number, 10 power 10 also is what? 10 power 5 into 10 power 5, 10 power minus 14 is what? 10 power minus 7 into 10 power minus 7. So that if you take square root, it is easier. Therefore, what is r equal to square root of 9 into 16 into 10 to the power of. Okay, this 9 into 16 into 10 power, this is minus 14, this is plus 10. So that the remaining power will become what? Minus 4. Is it right? So 10 minus 14 is minus 4. That also is square number, 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2. So that now very neatly you can take what? Root 9 is 3, root 16 is 4. So this is equal to 3 into 4 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, so this is equal to 12. 12 into 10 power minus 2 meter. That is 12 centimeter. 10 power minus 2 meter means what? It is centimeter. Therefore, the distance between them r is equal to 12 centimeter is the answer. Okay. Now, the force acting on the first charge, that is F1 suffix 2. So F1 2 means what? The first prefix is the force acting on which charge. Second suffix 2, due to which charge. So force acting on the first charge due to the second charge is given as 0.2 Newton. So 0.2 Newton. So from Newton's third law of motion, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Only the directions are different. The magnitude of the force will be the same. Therefore, the force acting on the second charge due to the first charge also must be equal to what? 0.2 Newton only. Both are equal in magnitude. How easy this problem you see. Okay. So, we are using which law here is Coulomb's law of electrostatics. Understand? I hope you must have understood well. Fine.